Welcome back. We got something different, something new, something blue. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so it's a table. I don't even know how I want to take this. I guess I can take it off this way. Let me come around. So, ooh. Oh. Okay, wait. I gotta get closer for this. Can we? Oh no, hold on. Okay, I had to come around and change the camera angle because it's giving me. Oh wow. Yo. Yes. I'm gonna cry, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, this part I need to put a little bit of resin because it was like an air bubble here. But oh my, there's like a bunch of air bubbles because if you saw the making process, you'll understand why. This was a shot in the dark type of thing. I just tried something. But this wasn't even supposed to be like this. This was supposed to be further up so that this would have like a dip, so it would be kind of like a cup holder because it's an ashtray in here. I was just, oh. Okay, I need to put this down. This baby got some weight on it, like, Okay, but no, seriously though. Okay, so I know what I did wrong. This is why I made this table for me. With all my little, I gotta cut this off on the edge here. Oh, how am I gonna, my iris flowers and my hyacinth. Yeah, I'm here for this. And it's layered in a way that like I can see everything that's in there. I have like different roses, a few different pieces of wood, different kinds of flowers, petals, like the air bubbles even make it look a little bit cool. Like, let me, oh my gosh, I got a piece of amethyst in there. I am so, yeah, this is, it's mine. But I gotta add some more resin up here. The rest of it though, I think I might need to add some resin, like pop these air bubbles here because they're pretty close to the surface, and then fill in what you call it. But the rest of the air bubbles, I think this might need a little like popping also. But the rest of the air bubbles are within the mold, so they're not, I know what to do. I know where I went wrong with this. I left the light on. I know where I went wrong with this. Like I said, this was a test thing. I probably should have spread these incense holders out a little bit so that they would so that all of them could show. But I know what's in there. It's like I said, it's mine. It's like a bunch of leaves. Oh, and the camera, I put a camera in there like because it came off. Okay, so I probably need to go over this with a little bit more resin because some of it is like protruding from the line of, what you call it, from where it ended. I could probably peel that off. Yeah. But I'm gonna end up having to sand this down so that it doesn't cut me. But I'm so pleased with this. Like even the parts under here that aren't like fully, wait a minute, didn't I put some? Ah, yes, and it's there. Okay, I put some little butterfly. That looks really sputtering. That looks so cool. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put like I'm gonna do a little video after so y'all can get like a somewhat of a 360 view on this. But I am so pleased with how this came out. Like, genuinely. Yeah, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of resin in the top here. Probably break my nail trying to do that. Poke a hole into these bubbles here so that I can fill them. I'm kind of glad, but that's so interesting though, because some of it got resin, like because this is an ashtray. I don't like how it came out. I did something with it, whatever, it didn't come out properly. And I put it in here in the hopes that it'll be on the surface so that the hole, you can still see in the hole. But I honestly wasn't sure how I wanted it to go. But I put some crushed paper, like some tissue paper in there to fill in the background of what was there. And the fact that only part of it like molded, I like that. Because I can't get in there, but I know there's air in it because I can tell by the tissue paper, the texture and the color, that it didn't get wet. That is so cool. Oh, so cool. It probably snuck in through the side there, but either way, I am very pleased with this. And if you can't tell, there's like a hint of blue. I'm just scratching it up already. I'm doing silliness. I need to rub it down, and yeah. This thing got some weight on it though, like, oh. Let me get closer so y'all can see. I love how this looks with the wood here. Like, that's so cool. This is the ashtray I was talking about, and it's a holographic sticker. Some iris flowers, some more wood pieces, camera, another piece of wood, some more flowers. Yeah, this looks really good too on this side here. I'm loving it. Okay, and then the bottom is just like, yeah. Okay, let me stop playing with this so I don't end up injured. But yeah, I take pictures and send my mom. I'm not changing the camera angle on this. Y'all can see the yellow down there. It'll be okay. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you check out the podcast. Yeah, all of that. Just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.